Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to fix Lenovo Wi-Fi not working in Windows 10 issue. Make sure to try all the fix one by one until your Wi-Fi issue is resolved. But before we start this guide, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Many laptops have Wi-Fi physical key on the keyboard to make Wi-Fi enable or disable. Make sure that Wi-Fi key is enabled in your laptop. Now let's start with troubleshooting. Fix 1. Enable Wi-Fi adapter and alter power management settings. Press Windows key plus R key and type ncpa.cpl in the run box and hit enter. As you can see, network connection has been opened. Now right click on your Wi-Fi network and enable it. Again right click on your Wi-Fi network and select properties. Click on configure. Now go to power management tab. Here you can see that allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is checked. You need to uncheck it. Now click on OK. Now move to Fix 2. Run the network troubleshooter. Right click on Start menu. Select Network Connections. You will see Network Troubleshooter like this, or you will see like this, Troubleshoot. You just need to click on Network Troubleshooter or Troubleshoot. In my case, I will click on Network Troubleshooter. It will fix the issue automatically. Just follow the troubleshooter on-screen instructions. Once this process completed, check if your problem is fixed. If not, then move to Fix 3. Restore advanced internet settings. Press Windows key plus R key. And this time type inet cpl.cpl. As you can see, it will open internet properties. Click on Advanced tab. Now click on Restore Advanced Settings. Click on Apply and click on OK now. Check your Wi-Fi. If still not working, then move to Fix 4. Uninstall the network adapter. Right click on Windows Start menu. Select Device Manager. As you can see that Device Manager has been opened. Double click on Network Adapter. Here you can see the list of adapters. You have to look for any of these adapters like Broadcom, Atheros, Realtek or Intel adapter. You will find one of them. As you can see, in my case it is Broadcom. In your case it could be some other brand as I mentioned earlier. Right click on it and select Uninstall device. Click on Uninstall. Now restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the latest driver. After restart, check if you are able to connect internet. If not, then move to Fix 5. Update Network Adapter. Again, right click on Windows Start menu. Select Device Manager. Double click on Network Adapters. Right click on your network adapter and select Update Driver. Click on Browse my computer for driver software. Now click on Let me pick from list of available drivers. You can see the list of drivers. You have to select first one. Now click on Next. As you can see that driver has been updated. If you are still unable to use internet, then move to Fix 6. Run network commands. Type CMD in the search box. Right click on it and select Run as Administrator. As you can see that command prompt has been opened. Now type all the command one by one and hit enter. You will find all commands in the description section below. Type netsh winsock reset. Now hit enter. Type netsh int ip reset. Now hit enter. Type ipconfig/release and enter. Type ipconfig/renew and enter. Type ipconfig/flushdns and enter. Now check one more time Wi-Fi is working or not. If not, then move to fix 7. Forget network. Go to notification area and click on internet icon. Right click on Wi-Fi network. Select forget. Now try to connect your network. This time it will ask for password. Put password and check if Wi-Fi is working. If still Wi-Fi is not working, then move to fix 8. Uninstall a recent Windows update. If your Wi-Fi is not working just after updating Windows 10, then follow this step. Otherwise, skip it and move to next fix. Click on Start menu and select Settings. Click on Update and Security. Now click on View Update History. Click on Uninstall Updates. Here you can see the list of all Windows install updates. You need to uninstall most recent update. You just need to select one and click on Uninstall. Now move to final solution, fix 9, reset network. Right click on Start menu. Select network connections. Here you need to click network reset. Select reset now. Click on yes to confirm. Your PC will be restarted. Check after restart your Wi-Fi is working or not. Hopefully your Wi-Fi issue has been fixed. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions and suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and comments motivate us to create such videos. Press the bell button to receive notification for new videos on Windows tips and tricks, troubleshooting and productivity hacks. Thank you.